Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the online life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Once, two friends decided to have a good time by going out for a picnic. So they packed up some beer bottles and whiskey bottles, and they decided that they would go off to a small island by taking a small rowing boat. So they took the boat and they started rowing and they reached this small island. And then they spent the whole day drinking. Now it was getting dark and they decided that it was enough and they should go back home. Otherwise their wives are going to nag them to hell. So they again packed up their things and they came to their small boat and they started rowing the boat. Now, normally it should not have taken them more than half an hour to reach the mainland. But it was the next morning and they were still rowing and they had not reached the mainland. So can you guess why they must have not reached the mainland? Of course, they were drunk and maybe they lost their way, or maybe they were rowing in the opposite direction. Those could be a number of possibilities. But in this particular case, what actually happened was they forgot to untie the rope that was holding them to the island. Well, you may think that these guys are crazy, but we also do the same thing in our lives. And mind you, we are not crazy and we are not drunk also. So what are the ropes that hold us in life? Well, the ropes of negativity, the ropes of negative thinking. So unless and until we cut off these ropes of negativity and negative thinking, we cannot move ahead in life. So that's the message I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope you like the idea. So please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So thanks for watching this video. See you again in my next video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.